Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, student. This is Ms. Rida Asif, your mathematics teacher from SM Public Academy Campus 5. So, what we have to discuss today in chapter algebraic expressions, we have to discuss classification of polynomials, degree of polynomials, and order of algebraic expressions. So these are the topics for today. We are going to discuss these topics for today: classification of polynomial, degree, and order of algebraic expressions. Let's start with classification of polynomials. How can we classify the polynomials? We can classify the polynomials in monomials and compound expression. I hope you have remember we have already discussed these classification in class 7. I hope you remember these, but again I'm going to explain it one by one, that what is called monomial, what is called bi, and what is called tri. An expression which contain only one term, that is called monomial. And an expression containing only single term, that is called monomial. Right? An expression which contains two terms is called binomial. An expression which contains three terms is called trinomial. Right? So here we can see that there is only one term. In the first example, we can see here only single term is over there. Right? Single term is over there. So it's a monomial. Okay? It's called a monomial having single term. Right? Now in the second example, we can see 5x minus 1. 5x minus 1. Here we can see there are two terms, 5x and 1. So it's called the binomial. It's called the binomial term. Bi means two, and binomial means two terms are there. So it's called a binomial. Right? Now trinomial having three terms. Right? An expression which contains three terms, it's called a trinomial. It's called a trinomial. So here we can see the trinomial is over there, binomial and monomial. Now, degree of polynomial. The degree of the polynomial with one variable is the largest exponent of that variable. Now look at this example. What is called the degree of polynomial? अगर हम degree की बात करें, तो here we can see that x power 3 minus x plus 3. So here the degree is 3. Degree का मतलब क्या है? The degree of the polynomial with one variable is the largest exponent of that variable. ठीक है? Largest exponent means largest power. ठीक है? Largest power क्या है? इस पूरे expression में we are having the largest power of variable is x cube. So here the degree is 3. Here the degree of polynomial is 3. Why? Because here the power, क्या है पावर? यहाँ पे पावर x की क्या है? सबसे हाईएस्ट पावर क्या है? x power is having 3. ठीक है? x cube. So here x power 3. The degree of the largest exponent of x is 3 over here. So the degree is 3 here. Now some more examples are there. If we are having, the first example is 4x. If we are having 4x right? So here only one term, monomial term is there. So the highest degree, the degree is 1. Here the degree is, in the first example, we can see that the degree is, here the degree is 1. In this question, we can see the degree is 1, right? Here we can see that x is having no power, no exponent you can see with x. So here the degree, only one degree is there, that is 1. Now in the number 2 example, you can see that 4x cube minus x minus x minus 3. Now in this example, 3 terms are there. In these 3 terms, we are having x power 3, x power 1, and here we can see only 3 is there. That means here is x power 0, right? So here the highest exponent is 3. Here the highest exponent is 3. So we have in this expression, the degree is 3. Now in number 3rd example, x power square, x power 5, and x power 1. So here x containing the highest power, x power 5. So the degree is 5. The largest exponent of x is 5. So the power is 5. Now in this last example, student, z power square, z power 1, right? So which is the highest degree? Highest degree is 2. The degree is 2 because the largest exponent of z is 2. The largest exponent of z is 2. Clear, everybody? What is called the degree? The highest exponent in the expression is called the degree, right? Now degree of an expression with more than one variable. If there are more than one variable, so what we have to do, when the polynomial has more than one variable, we need to look at each term. Okay, terms are separated by plus and minus sign. We have to look at all the terms. How many terms are there? There are 3 terms given to us. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. 3 terms are there. Now in these 3 terms, we have to check out how many variables are there, students. Here x and y. Okay, 2 variables are involved in this term. In the first term, there are 2 variables. Then what we have to do, we have to add the exponent of x and y. ठीक है, यानी variables के जितने भी exponent हैं, we have to add them. ठीक है, to get the degree. Here student, here x is having power 1, here y is having power 2. So 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, कितना हो गया? We get 1 plus 2, 3. So here this degree is, here the degree of this term is 3. What about the degree of this term? Here only x is there, so the degree is 1. And here the degree is 0. So the highest degree in this term is 3. So the largest such degree is the degree of the polynomial. Okay? So here the degree of the polynomial is 3. Why? Because we have to add all the variables exponents together to get the degree of polynomial. Clear? Who is Abdullah over here? Abdullah, kindly unmute yourself. Okay, Nasaba, clear? Okay. Now next is what is the degree of this polynomial? For example, the question is 5x y square minus 3x plus 5y cube minus 3. Okay, these are 4 terms given to you. Okay, now we have to check one by one. The first term here is 5x square 5x is 5xy square. 5xy square, right? In this first term, we can see that x and y square is over there. So we have to add these two powers. By adding these two powers, we get 3. So here the degree is 3. Okay, the second term is 3x. Okay, 3x means here the degree is only 1, having exponent 1. So we get 1. The third term is 5y cube. 5y cube is there. 5y cube is over there. So here the degree of y is 3. So the degree here is 3. Now the last term is 3. Last term kya hai beti? Last term is 3. So there is no variable. So the degree is 0. Okay. Now just check out all the terms. First you have checked all the degrees of the terms. ठीक है, आपने सबकी degrees check कर ली. अच्छा, now what is the highest degree in all the terms? The highest degree is 3. The highest degree is 3. We get the highest degree from this term and this term. Okay? So the largest degree is 3. In fact, 2 terms have the degree of 3. So the polynomial has a degree of 3. I hope, Abdullah, now it is clear to you that how can we find out the degree? All right. Abdullah Shahid. Okay, Abdullah Shahid. Now is it clear? How can we find, Abdullah, the degree? First we have to check out all the terms. Terms पता है बेटे Abdullah Shahid आपको क्या होती हैं? ठीक है Abdullah? First we have to check out the terms exponent degrees one by one, and then जो highest degree, जो highest exponent होगा, that is called what? That is called your degree. ठीक है? Highest power is called your degree. Clear? Now ascending order. Bete, what is called ascending order? Or Abdullah, be careful bete. Every time you say like this, attention pay kya kare bete, lectures ke toward. Okay? Please pay attention toward the lecture carefully. Yes, exactly, small to big. When an algebraic expression with one variable, the exponent is gradually increasing from left to right. Okay? Left to right, we have to expand the, we have to increase the exponent of the variable. Here the following example is there. 1 minus x square minus x 5x cube and plus x power 4. What we are doing, we are going to increase the power of the x. That means we are going to follow the ascending order with respect to x. In this question, only one variable is there. So we get 1 x square minus 5x cube plus x raised to the power 4. This is called the ascending order when the power of the variable is increasing from left to right? Example here, look at this example. Write the following algebraic expression in ascending order with respect to a. Okay, with respect to a. In this question, we can see that 2a cube y plus 4ay square 5a square y cube. But we have to check the variable a. According to a, we have to find the ascending order. Okay, according to a. Achha, now check out a's only. Here a power 3, here a power 1, here a power 2. So what will be the first term going to be written over here? So the first term is here 4ay square. Why? Because here the power is 1. The next term is going to be written 5a square y cube and then plus 2a cube y. Okay? A power 1, a power 2, a power 3. We have written all in ascending order. Now again, with respect to A, look at the question. Don't look at X and Y. We have to check out only A's. Okay? So look at this expression. In this expression, first we have to write 2 having A power 0. Okay? The second term will be, look at these terms, A power 1, A power 4, A power 3. Okay? So we have to select second term this, and the third term must be written A power cube, and the last term must be A power 4. Okay? After finding out the terms order, write it down properly with the signs. Clear, everybody? I hope now this is all clear to you. Okay? Okay. In the same way, beta, descending order is also like this. Okay, we have to gradually decrease from left to right. ठीक है, ascending में gradually increase from left to right. In descending order, we have to gradually decrease from left to right. Now look at this example. X power 4, X power 3, X power 2, X power 0. We are going to decrease. Descending means decreasing. Ascending means increasing order from left to right. So descending means the power is going to be decreases. Okay? And ascending means the power is going to be increases. Now look at this example. Here we have to write down in a descending order with respect to the given variable. Only one variable is there. Okay? So first one will be here y power 1, y power 2, y power 0, y power 3, y power 5. So the first variable must be highest power of highest power. This must be the of highest power 5. Now the next one is y power 3, then y power 2, then y power 1, then y power 0. And just write it down in proper order with the given signs. Here the first sign of 5, y power 5 is minus. So you have to start with minus sign, right? Now the next question, here we can see that here y power 4, here y power 4 से less power कौन सी है? Yes, here y power 1, right? Then 6 y power 0, and here the powers you can see in the division. Division means y minus 2, y minus 4, y minus 3. ठीक है? It's written in the division. That means ये power अगर numerator में आएंगी तो -2 बन जाएगी, right? So here the next power is -2, the next power is -3, and the next will be -4. ठीक है? -2 is bigger than -3. Remember? -3 is bigger than -4. So I have written 4 over y square minus 12 over y cube plus 9 over y 4. Clear, everybody? First power is y4, then y power 1, then y power 0, and then when y is in the division and when we shift in the numerator, okay, we get the power y power -2. Okay, so y -2 is bigger than y -3. So we have written first y power 2 in the division, then y power 3 in the division, and then y power 4 is in the division. The smallest term is 9 over y power 4. Okay, this is the smallest term because it containing the y containing the power -4. Y containing the power -4. This is the smallest power. Any question, student? Any question about ascending and descending order? So let's start the classwork without wasting our time. Okay, Vanya, let's start the classwork. But this is the index for today. Today is 20th August. Okay, write down the date. Write down the date over here. Okay, write down the date, mention the date. Write down the date over here. This is the homework for today. I hope you all have maintained the index which we have done on Tuesday, right? Today we have to do this work. Okay, this is exercise 4.1, question 3, bit 1, 3, 7, 9, 7, 8. Then question 4, bit 2, 3, 5, 8, 9. Quickly. 1, 3, 7, 8. 1, 3, 7, 8. 2, 3, 5, 8, 9. Quickly note down this index. Note down the index, student. Halima, everything is clear about descending order? Halima, okay. ठीक है. अच्छा. And what about binomial, trinomial, polynomial? Everything is clear? Ahmed Hassan? Ahmed Hassan, okay. So we Sheroz, we are going to continue. ठीक है? Have you maintained the index? Haris Mehboob, Sumaya? This is the index for algebra copy. ठीक है बेटे, this is the index for algebra copy, and if ठीक है, I have written at the top that this is algebra copy work, and if Talha Zishan is there, if he is attending the class, bete, you have given me wrong work, you have given me wrong copy. Bete, algebra copy is of 300 pages and arithmetic copy is of 160 pages. Talha Zishan, आपने मुझे arithmetic copy 300 pages के साथ submit कराया. I am not going to check that work, please. ठीक है? So kindly take that copy back and you have to solve algebra work in that copy, and you have to do arithmetic work in arithmetic copy of 160 pages. ठीक है? So Maya, I have just checked your work and that was excellent, I must say. Very good. You have completed questions 6 and 7 also, which was left last time. Very good. Very good. अच्छा चलिए, let's start with question 3. ठीक है, question 3. सब students ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया था. Excellent बेटे. चलिए, let's start with the question 3 bit 1. अच्छा, question 3. Find the type of polynomial with respect to their term. Number 1. Copy down this question. Number 1, leave one line. Jaldi jaldi. Leave one line. How many terms are there? How many terms are there? Raise your hand so that I can unmute you. Yes, Sheroz. How many terms are there?
Just 2 terms.
2 terms are there. Then it's called a
Binomial.
very good. It's called a binomial. It's called a binomial. Very good. Number 2, Hania Fahim. Hania, next question. Hania, number 3. Hania, number 3 is? Hania, number 3. How many terms are there, Hania? Hania, how many terms are there? Hania, unmute yourself.
With trinomial.
Trinomial, having 3 terms. It's called a trinomial. Very good. Very good. Quickly, students, solve all these questions. So number 1 is binomial, and the second one is okay. So number 1 is binomial and number 3 is trinomial. Right? Now I want Halima Tahir. Halima, unmute yourself, bete. Yes, Halima. Now the number 7th. Number 7th is
Monomial.
monomial, having only 1 term. Very good. Now the last one, 8th bit is Ramla. Ramla, unmute yourself, bete, jaldi jaldi. Number 8, Ramla.
This is number 8. Number 8 is Binomial.
Number 8 is binomial. Okay, why it is binomial? ठीक है, ये binomial क्यों है? Can anyone give me the reason? Aisha Javed, why it is binomial? Yes, Aisha, unmute yourself and give me the answer why the 8th bit is binomial. Aisha Javed, unmute yourself and give me the answer quickly, bete. Yes, bete, why a minus b whole square minus b square is binomial? Why?
Miss, because it has two terms.
It is two term. How can you say that it's two term? A minus b square and then b square.
Mhm.
How can we say that? Just think about it. Okay, think about it. Let's solve question number 4. I'm giving you some time to think about this question. Acha, we are going to continue question number 4 right now. Okay, we are going to continue question number 4 right now. Acha, I'm giving you the hint for question 8. A minus b whole square. Remember the formula? Have you remembered the formula? Okay, just this is the hint for this question. Now question 4 bit number 2. You have to give me the answer. Question 4 bit number 2. Find the degree of the following. Yes, Sumaya. Find the degree of the following polynomial. Question number 2.
Miss, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Miss,
Yes.
5.
5.
Miss, 5. Question
Very
number
good.
2.
Which term is having the highest degree? First, second, third.
First.
First, very good. So the degree of the polynomial is 5. Very good. Acha, now bit number 3. Bit number 3. Bit number 3, Vanya. Okay, Vanya, it's your turn. Vanya, unmute yourself. Yes, Vanya. Jaldi, jaldi. Yes, Vanya. Walaikum assalam, Vanya. I can't see you, bete.
मिस आपने जो है ना मेरे पास अभी बुक नहीं है, बुक अवेलेबल नहीं थी, इसलिए जो है ना आप जो है ये जो बिट नंबर 3 दिखा दें.
अच्छा अच्छा, 1 second. Sorry. Yes, 5 raised to the power 3. इसके अंदर देखिए डिग्री होती क्या चीज है? Having variable having the highest power. Can you see the variable over here? Vanya,
No.
can you? हाँ, तो इसमें you can't see any variable. ठीक है ना? तो what will be the degree?
3.
Vanya, if there is no variable, exactly. Give me the answer again.
0.
0. Very good, Vanya. So here the degree is 0. Here the degree is 0. ठीक है? Clear हो गई बात? 0. And here in the first question, answer given me by Sumaya, degree is 5. ठीक है? Now question 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. Okay, Sumaya has completed all the bits. Very good, Sumaya. Excellent, Sumaya. Shabash. Acha, here we can see Haris is there. Haris, can you give me the answer? Then next turn is of Ahmad Hassan. ठीक है, Ahmad? You have to give me the answer of bit number 8. Haris, unmute yourself. Haris, very bad. Okay, Ahmad Hassan, bete, give me the answer of bit number 5. Bit number 5. Bete, x square, y square and z square. So what will be the degree? Add all the powers. Sorry, 6. Very good. Very good. So the degree here is 6. Correct answer given me by Ahmad Hassan. Very good. So here the degree is 6. Now number 8. Number 8. Jay Kumar. Jay Kumar, what is the degree of pi? Can you see the variable? Jay Kumar, bete, unmute yourself and show me.
Yes, miss. Miss, the degree is 0. Hello, miss. Can you hear me? Miss, can you hear me? Hello?
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Yes, Sumaya. Bete, why in question number 8, the degree is 0?
क्योंकि टीचर उधर वेरिएबल नहीं है.
Very good, Sumaya. And thanks for telling me that my mic is mute. I'm muted right now. So here the degree is 0. Here the degree is 0. Now question number 4, bit number 9 is little bit tricky. Okay? It's little bit tricky. I want anyone to show me the copy that how can we get the degree of this bit number 9. Okay? If you have done this work, please show me through your copy. This is the last bit. So I am going to stop my screen. I'm just going to clear my drawing right now. One second. So now, student, I hope you all have copied the question. Okay, na? Now you have to share that how can we solve question number 9 and how can we get the degree of this question. If you have solved this question, please share your screen with me now. One by one. Have you completed, Sumaya? Have you completed this question? Share it with me. हारिस, मैंने आपको कहा था क्वेश्चन का आंसर देने के लिए, बट आपने मुझसे शेयर नहीं किया. Okay. Yes, Sumaya. Show me your work. Show me your copy on the screen. Keep your copy on your screen. Okay, you have written that question number, bit number 9 is having degree 0. But why? How can we get the degree? How can we get this degree 2? Do you know about this? Okay, let me tell you that how can we get this degree 2? One second. Can you see my copy? Everybody? Okay, here we have to find the degree. The question is find the degree of this question is written over here. It's a cube root. Okay, it's a cube root a square minus b and whole cube is over there. Okay, this bracket containing whole cube, after this bracket we are having power cube, and this root is called cube root. But if the question is here like cube root is over there, how can we solve it? If we remove this cube root का मतलब क्या है 1/3. ठीक है, cube root means 1/3. So we can write like this, a square minus b 3/3. This 3 comes in over here. जैसे मैंने आपको क्या बताया, if square root is over there तो वो किस तरह हो जाता है 1/2. तो if 3 is in the cube root it becomes 1/3. तो ये 3 के नीचे 3 पावर आ गई, right? Cube root means power 1/3. ठीक है, cube root means power 1/3. So this 3 and 3 will be cancelled. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 will be cancelled, and we get a square minus b. So the degree of polynomial, highest power क्या है यहाँ पे? A power square. So the degree is 2. The degree is 2. Clear? I'm explaining again. The term is there. ठीक है? The term is a square minus b raised to the power cube. ठीक है? अच्छा, when we remove this cube root, we get what we get? We get power 1/3. We get power 1/3. ठीक है? When we remove the cube root, this is cube root. ठीक है ना? When we remove it, we get the power 1/3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. We get a square minus b. So the degree is 2. The degree highest power is 2. So we get the degree 2. Clear ho gayi baat? Everything is clear? So I hope that today's lecture is properly clear to you. And this is the way we can find the degree of this question, right? Now I hope you have completed the work. And I hope that today's lecture is clear to you. Thank you so much, everybody. Sheroz, have you completed your work?